Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of organization with the best metal pegboard hooks available in the market.
If you're looking to tidy up your workspace, garage, or kitchen, you won't want to miss this review.
These are the i-FKM 100 PCS metal pegboard J-hook accessories.
They're designed to make your life easier when it comes to organizing tools, jewelry, and more.
Let's get into the details.
First off, these hooks are built to last.
Made from high-quality iron with a corrosion-resistant nickel-plated finish, they're sturdy and durable. That means you won't have to worry about rust or wear and tear, making them perfect for long-term use.
Installation is a breeze too.
Whether you're setting up in the garage or the kitchen, these hooks will secure your items safely.
Now, let's see these hooks in action.
Whether you're organizing your tools or hanging up jewelry, the i-FKM hooks provide a versatile solution. They're not just for tools. They're ideal for keeping everything from kitchen utensils to crafting supplies in order.
The possibilities are endless. What sets these hooks apart? Well, they're easy to remove and install, scoring high marks for usability. The sturdy construction ensures they can handle heavier items without bending or slipping. In conclusion, if you're looking to declutter and organize, the i-FKM metal pegboard J-hook accessories are a solid choice. They're durable, easy to use, and versatile enough for any space. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay organized.